Safe at last. He'll never be able to foul. Whoa! He's everywhere, man!
Oh, little red birdie!
You want from me?
You are all mine now. Yes, come, Basil Birdhound will study you and... Tea time. Won't you have a cup of tea?
Oh, yeah. I love tea.
It is the most civilized of all social practices, don't you agree?
Quite. I rank it right up there with... Get you off my tail, you freak!
Tally-ho!
So then I said to the judge, a stolen hat? But, Your Honor, it's not a hat, it's shoulder pads! You get it? Shoulder pads! Oh, that is rich!
Well, if Basil wants to show his rare bird studies to old Professor Mustyworth, then I'll help him do just that. Cheerio! About time you showed up, Birdhound. A bit of a sticky wicket, this jungle, eh, what?
Professor Mustyworth, you look different.
Didn't you learn anything in my class? Why ever are you chasing some run-of-the-mill red woodpecker? What are you thinking, dog?
Professor, how did you... I mean...
When right outside your door is the extremely rare Buzzardus stupidus. Look for yourself.
Yes, I see him, Professor. Oh, yes, he must be the stupidest bird in the animal kingdom.
Go make him your life's work.
Yes, I shall doggedly hound him to the ends of the earth. I must have the basset.
But Woody Woodpecker always gets the last laugh.